Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Monday through Wednesday, October 5 to 7, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat. Beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we have a newly formed tropical cyclone just outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, more than 1,000 kilometers to the east of Batanes. And this tropical cyclone is now known internationally as Panahon, a tropical storm with winds of 65 kph, and it is currently quasi-stationary, moving around west at a speed of 3 to 4 kilometers per hour, and it's expected to intensify further into a typhoon within the next couple of days. But the computer models are showing a track that will not move into the Philippine area of responsibility, but we are still eyeing for possible shift in its track, either more to the west or northwest, but most of the computer models are showing it to move towards the northwest, and it may not enter the Philippine area of responsibility, but if ever it enters, it will be named locally as Nika. So we have here a very long monsoon trough connected to another LPA. This is a new LPA which formed over the West Philippine and South China Seas, around 15 north, 115 east. And this LPA with tag ID 91W has lower chances of becoming a tropical cyclone within the next 24 hours. And it is expected to move towards the west to west-northwest, towards the eastern shoreline of central Vietnam. And because of this weather system, we could see two wind systems blowing across, the Philippine Islands. The first is the Habagat. We still have the southwest monsoon, although it's already October. This is maybe the last of the wind system, currently affecting Palawan, Calayan Island Group, including Sulu Archipelago, western and southern Mindanao. So expect some partly sunny to cloudy skies with occasional rain showers and thunderstorms across these areas. Watch out for possible flash floods or lightning strikes during an event of a severe thunderstorm within the monsoon system. Up here, across the extreme northern parts of Luzon, including Ilocos region, including the northern shorelines of Ilocos Norte, northern Cagayan, Calayan, including Batanes and Babuing Islands. We could see here the first blow of the, we could call this an early amihan, but still this is known as the northeasterly shore phase wind flow, or northeasterlies, bringing some breezy conditions with a slightly fresh breeze across these areas, with some localized thunderstorms occurring across the northern shorelines of extreme northern Luzon. And in the middle, in between the two tropical systems, we have the monsoon trough. So it could bring some sunny to cloudy skies with afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across central and southern Luzon, including Metro Manila, Bicol region, Mindoro, Marinduque, as well as Romblon and other portions of the Visayas. So that's the latest from our GovSat. We have a shallow low pressure to the south of Guam. It's not expected to intensify, and Panahon will just be here for the next few days before it will accelerate towards the southern coastline, or towards the sea south of Japan. So we are going to monitor this tropical storm. Here's the fast animation. So you can see here the building or developing circulation of Panahon and some southwest monsoon over Palawan and Sulu Archipelago, including western and southern Mindanao, and some cloudiness with thunderstorms brought about by the monsoon trough across central and southern Luzon, including Mindoro, Romblon, and Marinduque, Visayas, and Bicol region. And as we look at our Asian agencies' tracks on this weather system, they all agree that the system will track just to the south of Japan along the open waters for the next 5 to 7 days, for the next 3 to 5 days. So expect the system to, it is expected to pass very close to the Philippine area responsibility, but not entering based on the new model. And as we look at our global typhoon model, so it's very the uncertainty of this weather system is currently wide enough, as you can see here. So this is the possible track of that weather system, but the good news, it won't enter the Philippine area of responsibility based on the latest update on the computer models. Okay, so that's the latest from the that's the latest from the global tracks, global model tracks. Let's move towards windy.com zoom in satellite animation, so you can see some developing localized thunderstorms which already occurred across southern Tagalog provinces, portions of Metro Manila, western Visayas, Palawan, and northern and other portions of Mindanao. And as we look at our 2-day rain and wind forecast from ECMWF from the windy.com website, so by tomorrow afternoon, expect some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms across most parts of the country, and including here across western Negros, portions of Camarines Sur and Albay. And on Wednesday, still same weather conditions, isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms will be expected in various parts of the country. Okay, so far that's the latest from our tropical update here at Typhoon 2000, and we will be returning again on Wednesday to give you more updates for the Philippines. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, #typhoonwiser, and thank you for watching my YouTube channel.